Hello, in front of me I've got Canon EOS. In this video I'll show you how to manage touch and drag AF settings. In the beginning, let's go to menu and next go to AF. Select touch and drag settings and here you can enable or disable this function. You can select Tab to select subject to detect, change positioning method, change active touch area, and change sensitivity. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.